episode from Cook Brothers Garage. There's Pinky, and I'm the brain. And today we have another unboxing because it's a rainy day and too muddy. Couldn't get the tractor out to get it in here to put the wheel spacers and stuff on it, put the chains on it, so we're just having a little episode to unbox this, which is a little kit that you learn how to do electronics and program from Radio Shack. I know Radio Shack don't have any stores, but they got an online store now, which I wish they kept their real stores, but beggars cannot be choosers. There's the address that comes from Florida. Make sure that you can't get into these, huh? There we go. Wow. Another one. Yeah, there's what the item's called. 30 Days Lost in Space. It's a little kit to teach you electronics and programming, which I thought that would be pretty handy here soon. I got a lot of projects I need to work on this electronic. Another package. Package well though. That's what it looks like. See all kinds of electronic doodads in there. Got your board. Got your thing where you plug it in the computer. You got your various little LEDs and wires. So I'm going to go and have some fun during this rainy day inside. Learn how to program and do electronics. Then I might be able to expand my channel and make some crazy robot things or something. I don't know. We'll just have to see. I might have to get me a building so I have me a little electronics building. But I'll stick it in my pocket, and that's all for today on this rainy, wet, muddy day. And by the way, it's not really that cold. It's only 40 degrees in the garage. I know a lot of places get a lot colder than this, but when you're like me and you got like 15 other things to do every day, you just got to pick and choose. And today, day to go inside the house and get some work done there. And there's my guard cat on the surveillance system. He's outside the garage wanting in, because I'm in here. See? He's wanting in. He hears me in here, he ain't happy unless he's in here too. So, but y'all have a good one. And this is the Brain and Pinky signing off. And she's probably going to be helping us tomorrow doing all the video recording. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
What was that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Cook Brothers Garage.